Hi all, I have building blocks with me today. I thought I'll explain what is an element, atom and molecule using them. So let us take a simple thing. We have matter around us. Matter is present in the form of solids, liquids and gases as we know. So atmosphere contains gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and we have solid pieces around us like chair, benches, and we have liquids like water, and blood inside our body is liquid. Even our human body is made up of matter like solid bones, liquid blood, and gases we inhale and exhale like oxygen we inhale and carbon dioxide we exhale. So keenly, if we see, this matter is made up of elements, different types of elements. What is this element? For example, if we see this building block, for example, if it is nitrogen, so it is nitrogen element. Then this nitrogen element exists in the form of molecule. It cannot exist individually as atom. So if we see an element, for example, if this is an element, then these three blocks will be the atoms present in this element. That means an element is made up of all same type of atoms which are similar in their nature, and by using ordinary chemical methods or any physical methods we cannot separate from the element. So element exist as a part of nature. Matter is made up of elements, and element contains same types of atoms. For example, copper is an element and it contains same type all copper atoms. Gold is an element, it contains all gold atoms. So if we see the periodic table, we have 118 elements. In them 92 are natural elements which are present in the nature. Now what are these molecules? See, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these are called as noble gases, inert gases. So why they are given this name zero group elements? Why? Because they can present in the environment individually as atoms. So they don't have any need to combine with one another. So they are occurring individually as atoms only. Whereas nitrogen or oxygen, their atoms are combined together to form molecules. For example, oxygen. So oxygen is an element molecule. For example, if we take this blue color building block, if you think that this is an oxygen atom and this is one more oxygen atom, so both combine together to form an element molecule. Okay, why I am calling it as element molecule is because this is also oxygen atom and this is also an oxygen atom. Both are combining together to form an oxygen molecule. Then what is a compound? What is compound molecule? See, for example, these two atoms are oxygen atoms. So now carbon comes. So one carbon combining with two oxygen atoms forms carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is a molecule which is made up of two different types of atoms. That is, one is carbon atom which is from carbon element, and these are two oxygen atoms, so oxygen element. So two different types of atoms are combining. Actually it is triatomic because three atoms are there, one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms are combining to form CO2. We are calling this as compound molecule and we are calling this as element molecule. Why? Because same two atoms of same element, oxygen and oxygen, two atoms of oxygen are combined together. So it is an element molecule, same type of atoms. This one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms two different types of elements are combined, so they are called as compound molecules. So that is the difference between an element, atom and molecule. And coming to noble gases, they occur individually as atoms like this. Okay, they are not combined as molecules because they don't need. Why do atoms combine? To attain stability, to become stable. So if we see the chart, like what do matter contain? Matter is present around us like solid, liquids and gases. Again this matter contains element, and these elements can be present in the form of element molecule or compound molecules or atoms. So I hope you understood clearly the difference between atom, element and a molecule by enjoying these colorful building blocks. Thank you.